Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about recently. What countries is Steam paysafe available in? I'm going to start by giving you a quick overview of what Steam paysafe is and how it works. Then, I'll get into the meat of the video and list all of the countries where Steam paysafe is currently available. I hope you find this information helpful. What is Steam paysafe? Steam paysafe is a prepaid payment method that you can use to add funds to your Steam wallet. This is a great option if you don't have a credit card or if you're looking for a more secure way to pay for games and other items on Steam. Steam paysafe is available in a variety of denominations, so you can choose the amount that's right for you. You can purchase Steam paysafe cards at a variety of retailers, including grocery stores, gas stations, and electronic stores. How does Steam paysafe work? Once you have a Steam paysafe card, you can redeem it on your Steam account. To do this, simply log into your Steam account and go to the Wallet section. Click on the Add Funds button and then select Paysafe Card. Enter the code on your Steam paysafe card and click Submit. The funds will be added to your Steam wallet immediately. You can then use them to purchase games, software, and other items on Steam. What countries is Steam paysafe available in? Steam paysafe is available in a wide variety of countries. Here is a list of some of the countries where Steam paysafe is available. Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Czech Republic, Denmark, Ecuador, Egypt, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hong Kong, Hungary, Iceland, India, Indonesia, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Japan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malaysia, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nigeria, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Puerto Rico, Romania, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Serbia, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, Thailand, Turkey, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, Uruguay, Venezuela, Vietnam. This is not an exhaustive list, and there may be other countries where Steam paysafe is available. You can check the Steam website for a full list of countries. How to find Steam paysafe in your country. If you're not sure where to find Steam paysafe in your country, you can use the Steam website to find a retailer near you. Simply go to the Steam website and click on the Find a Retailer link. Enter your country and city, and Steam will show you a list of retailers near you that sell Steam paysafe. Steam paysafe is a great way to add funds to your Steam wallet. It's available in a wide variety of countries, so you're likely to be able to find it no matter where you live. If you're looking for a secure and convenient way to pay for games and other items on Steam, Steam paysafe is a great option.